Hey students, let's go over the Assassin's calculator. Give the domain and range for the following data points. Ascending, no spaces, so type it A, B, C, D with commas with no spaces. Same thing with the range. Ascending, no spaces, go W, X, Y, Z. Now if it's repeated, you don't need to, whoa, my pen literally just exploded in my hand. That's weird. 1 second, let me fix this. All right, we're back. All right. Anyway, so the domain are the X values and the range are the Y values. Remember, the domain, I think of it this way. Those are the values that go into a function, and the range is where they end up. Like home on the range is where you want to end up at the end of the day. All right, here we go. So let's identify the X values. You're an X value, you're an X value, you're an X value, you're an X value. So the ascending order, 1, 4, 5, and 10. All right, that wasn't too bad. The range, Y value, Y value, Y value, Y value. Here we go. Smallest Y value is a 3. The next one is a 10, and the next one is a 15. And then don't do it twice. Okay, let's leave it alone. Okay, leave it alone. Is this a function? Yes or no? I would say yes. Okay. The reason it's yes is because it's okay for two X values to map onto a single Y value. That just means you've got two different numbers to get the same answer. That happens sometimes, all right? Like watch this, okay? So if I had like 0 times 8 plus 18, I'd get 18. 0 times 250 plus 18 is 18, okay? So it's okay to plug in different numbers and get the same result, but it's not okay the other way. It's not okay to put in one number and get two answers. That's not possible, okay? So if this was an accurate mapping diagram, so it looks like if you plugged in a 4, you would get a 15, and then if you plugged in a 10, you'd also get a 15. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. You plug in a 4, you get a 15. You plug in a 10, you get a 15. That's possible. You can't plug in a 15 and then get two different answers. Anyway, it's totally okay to have fewer ranges than domains, okay? 4 things go in, 3 things come out, that's cool. But if 3 things went in and 4 things came out, you would say no. All right, so is this a function? Yes, it is. That was the Assassin's calculator. Ascending, ascending, no spaces with commas, and then don't repeat repeated range values.